Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Matar Pulao or Peas Pilaf. For this we are going to need 1/4 cup oil, half a cup of onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup tomatoes chopped, 2 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder or Laal Mirch powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander or Dhania powder, 4 to fry green chillies chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds or Zeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1/4 cup cilantro or Hara Dhania, 2 cups of basmati rice, 1.5 cup of peas, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. So in a pan on medium heat, we are going to add the oil, and once the oil heats up, we'll add the Zeera or cumin seeds as well as the green chilies and fry them for a few seconds. Then we will add the chopped onions and we'll fry the onions on medium heat until they get light brown. So now they have gotten a little brown in color, and at this point we will add the ginger garlic or adrak lasan paste and add the tomatoes. These are a lot of tomatoes, but we will need them to make the gravy nice and juicy. But we will reduce the tomatoes until it forms a thick gravy, about 5 to 6 minutes on high heat. So make sure you're stirring constantly, and when the tomatoes get to this stage, like a smooth gravy, we will add the powdered spices. So we will add salt and turmeric powder, the red chili powder and coriander powder. Mix it well with the gravy. After a couple of minutes, you will see that the oil is separating from the whole masala, and this is the time to add the peas. I have taken frozen peas here, but this can be made with fresh peas as well. Here we go. I've added the frozen peas and made sure that they're all mixed well. And now we will turn the heat to low at this point and cover and cook it for about 10 minutes on low heat. And the peas should be ready at this point. So now that the peas are ready, we are going to turn off the heat. And we will add coriander leaves or Hara Dhania. Mix in well. And we'll also add the cinnamon stick, the bay leaf, as well as the lime juice. So make sure everything is mixed well, and we'll keep this on the side so that it cools down further. And I've taken a electric cooker here, rice cooker, but you can definitely make this on the stove as well. And I've added this peas mixture to it first. I have soaked this rice for about an hour, and I've drained it and added it to the mixture. And this is 2 cups of rice, so I have added 3.5 cups of water. Mixed it well. Make sure at this point you also taste the water so that you have an idea if you'll need more salt. So now I've started cooking this, and after half an hour, here's the pulao ready. Very simple recipe. Hope you give this a try. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.